Hi guys and girls, I'm going to put a docking kit on today, which is basically these two bobbins here, and it's a very simple job, and it's going to take 2 minutes. Obviously you've taken the bags off. All you do is you unscrew that, take this back end off and put that in its place, and you do that with the front. The plastic black one goes to the rear and the plain silver one goes to the front. It does come with new bolts. I'm just going to use the existing. These are Torque 45s. The other ones are Allen keys or Allen heads, so I'm just going to fit these existing bolts back in, and I'll tell you what the torque settings are in a minute when I come to do it. So let's take it off. Do one at a time. We'll do the rear one first. Comes off, take that bit off, put that bit on. Now this has got some tiny little flats, one each side. I'm pretty sure the idea of that is though that you can adjust it slightly in case the rack or the sissy bar, whatever you're going to put on here, shakes around a little bit, so there is a little bit of adjustment there. So I'm going to just put the flat surface horizontal. Before we do that, we'll put a little bit of Loctite on. Feel those little flats. I'll come and do the torque on them in a minute. Let's just do the other one. Again, you take that bit off, put a new bit on, a little bit of Loctite. Again, just feel the flats with your fingers. Right, the torque settings for these are 21 to 27 foot-pound or 28 to 37 newton meters. Job done. It is as easy as that. So when my sissy bar and my rack come, I'll be able to fit them straight on. Okay, so a week later and my sissy bar and luggage rack have arrived, as you can see. I'll put a link underneath for it. They come, just as a word of warning, I got them from a company in Germany. and it had nothing on the website about import duty. So just remember, if you're in the UK and you buy this from Germany, you will have an import tax to pay. The import tax for me for this Sissy bar and rack was £63, which you have to pay to the courier. So that's just a word of warning. Anyway, let's get down to the jobbing task. As you can see, it fits perfectly. The only issue that I had was with the reflectors on the side. There's a reflector there, that's what comes stock, and it's on the side. That gets in the way. The adhesive tape on the back holds this out far enough. See, at the moment that slots under there okay, but the adhesive tape on the back holds it out far enough that this gets in the way. It gets in the way of this, so you have to take these off. So a little bit of fishing wire, or as I used dental floss, but you've got to take it easy because dental floss breaks. But I use dental floss, but a bit of fishing wire, and that comes off dead easy. And as you can see, it fits on there really well. I'll put the you can see the bags on the other side, no issue, no problem. And with the Sport Glide, what I like about this is the seat is quite narrow, so this doesn't rub against the seat. I'll put the bag on the side in a minute so you can see it. All fits on perfectly well. What I didn't explain on the first part of the video is where I changed these this docking point, where I fitted the docking point. Clearly and very obviously you have to do exactly the same on the other side. So there we go. Let me go and get the bag and put it on, and then you can see what it looks like. And that's with the side bag on. Fits really nice. I'm really pleased with the look. The Sissy bar comes with a detachable pad, so if you can always put any different type of pad you want on the back, as long as it's got those three fixings. Yeah, so as you can see, fits really well. What you will notice, and what I've noticed, is when you put the bags on and off, it is quite firm. It's a little bit firmer than before with these with this docking unit, but I think that's a good thing. So yeah, I think now I've done everything to the bike that I want to do. The only thing that I may possibly think about doing in future is I may change the seat. I don't know. The seat's perfectly comfortable. If I change it, it'll just be for looks really. So yeah, until next time, you guys take care. Bye bye.